In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Systeme.io. We're going to walk through the process of adding or updating your email signature directly inside your Systeme.io settings, so your outgoing emails look more professional and consistent. This is especially useful if you want every email you send to include your sign-off details automatically without having to type them in each time. To get started, head over to your Systeme.io dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top area of the screen for your profile icon. Click on that icon to open your account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your personal account preferences and email-related options. Inside Settings, click on Emails. That's where Systeme.io stores the configuration for your email sending details. When the email settings page opens, scroll down until you find the email footer section. This is the area that controls the signature or footer text that appears at the bottom of your emails. Take a moment to locate the footer text field because that's where you'll make your changes. Click into the footer text area. You may already see some existing text there, including an email address or previous footer content. Select the current text if needed, and then begin editing it so it reflects the signature you want to use. Now type and format your signature. This is where you can add your sign-off information such as your name, your business name, and your website link. Keep it clean and easy to read. If you want to make certain parts stand out, highlight the text and use the formatting bar to apply styling like bold text. You can also create a clickable link by selecting the text you want to link and attaching it to your website URL. This helps make your signature more useful and polished for anyone receiving your emails. As you format your signature, try to keep the layout simple. A short professional footer is usually more effective than one that feels crowded. Make sure everything looks the way you want before moving on. Once you're happy with your signature, save your dashboard settings. This step is important because your changes won't apply until they're saved. After saving, your updated email signature should now appear in the footer of your emails sent through Systeme.io. And that's it. You've successfully created your email signature in Systeme.io.